Good morning. Time to wake up. Let's go. Olina. We're getting late.
Oh yes, it's true.
ए हामी यहाँ सनराइज हेर्न जान लाग्यो बच्चा रेडी भइसक्यो ल उठेर 1 मिनटमा देयर रेडी Are you guys ready? Yes? What is she? Look at her. Alright, we are ready. Noor, Alina?
Yeah.
You guys are ready?
Yeah.
It's 4 dark.
We only woke up at this time because you thought we were going to see the sunrise.
Sunrise, yeah, we'll see the sunrise. Or maybe the sun will be waiting for us, right? We came so far, so the sun will be waiting for us there.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Back when it was so like foggy and dark. It was nice. Yeah.
Lake Louise. La Fairmont Chito. Oh, the puya ni ito niyan, right? All right, finally we are here at where are we?
Lake Louise.
Lake Louise. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. I think we missed the sunrise, but that's okay. Thank you. All right, here we are. So how many clothes you got? The extra pair of clothes? 10. They got cream, hairbrush for the the hiking. What else you got?
Lotion.
Lotions, and then shorts, t-shirts, maybe swimming pants, swimming suit. Oh, I'm feeling cold.
It's not that cold.
Oh, it's cold. Oh my god. So the Lake Louise parking is pretty full actually on the top at 6:30 a.m. Tickets expensive here, $36. We are almost here, guys. Finally, we bring you Lake Louise and see the crowd early in the morning. Look at this. And there's a beautiful Fairmont Chito hotel. And look at this beauty. That's wow. That's just wow. All right, here you go. Lake Louise.
बिना पोर्ट्रेट के पहले वाले नहीं है इसके बाद ये वाली मुझे मेरे को ब्लर करके ये
बच्चाहरु यस्तो छ म त यहाँ बर्बादै भयो आज तार सर्केर दुईटा एडभिल खाएर बेङ्गे दलेर आया बर्बाद त्यही भएर हामीले एक भिडियो चाहिँ खिचेको छैनौँ आजको ब्याग यसरी ब्यागमा हात राखेर हिँड्दैछु अब 2 किलोमिटर चाहिँ मात्रै हिँडेर फर्किनु हो तर हाइक चाहिँ रमाइलो छ यो बाटो पनि अलिक फराकिलो छ अस्तिको भन्दा मान्छेहरू त कति हो
टमाटर
यस्तो यति धेरै मान्छे चाहिँ अस्तिदेखिको कुनै पनिमा छैन डोन्ट पुट स्ट्रेस अन आवर
Please.
ब्याक त्यस्तो छ दुईजना भान्जी दिदीसँग यहाँ गरौँ हुँदैछ हाम्रो Beautiful view from here. अरे यही छ पानी लेकले
Wait. We hiked up one of these mountains.
2.5 mile the boy. ओहो कस्तो खतरा किराहरू स्पाइडर ढाड दुखेछ यार टु ब्याड बोय बाटो चाहिँ हिजो अस्तिको भन्दा चाहिँ राम्रो रहेछ यो बाटो मान्छेहरू फर्किसक्यो 4 बजी हिँड्ने मान्छेहरू छ अरे ल 4 बजी टाइम पनि घरबाट 4 बजी नै आएको हो कत्रो कत्रो खुट्टा आयो मान्छे अनि हिँड्दैन त Looks like we found something here. The Mirror Lake. Nice. Plain of 6 glaciers, Beehive. Maybe the youngest hiker in town. हाम्रो यहाँ चिप्स प्रोग्राम मिरर लेक कस्तो राम्रो मिरर पनि मिररै रहेछ हैन नो अक्सिजन
No oxygen.
नाइस भ्यू फ्रम हियर हामी चाहिँ यहाँ तल
Aren't you gonna do this? This thing.
गाडी
Wait, can I help you do this? Can you take video?
What?
It's so nice and sunny and freezing.
lot of mosquitoes here we cannot wait we are finally here at the tea shop Look at this view.
Where's the line? There.
Be on the line, guys. It's a tea house.
It was a daytime show. It's a daytime show.
You gonna pay? You ordered it, right? You gonna pay? No, I was just.
Ready?
No, please. No, yeah. No, yeah. Let's go.
She left us just like Alina.
Yeah, so we are here in the Lake Agnes. And this is the way we need to go to the Big Beehive. यहाँ पुग्यो लेक एग्नेस 360 भ्यू भान्जीले हिँडाउने नै भयो मामालाई यस्तो छ बाटो. We're going to the Big Beehive. कमर दुखिरहेको छ अलिअलि त बेटर जस्तो छ. त्यहाँ माथि. Let's go. Let's go. The higher you go, the better the view is. Canadian Rockies. Let's go. के भयो? Hey, you don't climb there. Climb. We have a trail on the other side. Noor, give some weight to her.
Go. Huh? Noor, go. Yeah, that's it. Oh, keep going.
Yes. So we are on the top. Finally. I was about to give up because of that back pain. It was worth it. We'll see how it goes. Going downhill. नाइ भनेको पान्छीहरुले जम भनेर जोस्यायो नि. Alright, this is the end of the Big Beehive trail. It's beautiful Lake Louise. Beautiful Lake Louise from here. Alright, this is the end of Beehive Trail. Alright, this is the end of the Beehive Trail here. And this is the Mirror Lake down there. That's where we were on this 2 hours back. Alright.
Sure.
See you. And there's a lot of people here trying to wait on a line to take pictures.
No, just said, this is Carla, if you want labs, give me a call back when you get a chance, option 1.
Alright. Took us like 4 hours and 30 minutes to be here from the trail.
पुलिस वाले थे. पेटो का मैं तुझे गारंटी देता हूँ, पेटो तो है.
Noor, Alina, how are you guys doing?
Good.
You like that view? It's breathtaking, right?
It's okay.
Noor, you want to take the video, you said, right? Come on. Play.
The view. Mom, we're gonna go around, okay? No. The view for.
Don't go there.
Come.
Don't go there. No, Alina, no, don't go there. Just stay here. Noor.
Yeah?
Always on it.
Yeah. Let's keep on moving outside. Let's keep on going. Yeah.
Thank you, Alina and Noor.
Let's keep on going.
Where?
Do we need to like balance this thing?
Yeah.
Can I try? I just want to
Oh
hold
my
it.
god.
I want to hold it on.
You need to do it slow.
Can I try? I just want to hold it on. Okay. You have to balance this and make it straight. Can the phone fall off?
Yeah.
Really?
Let's see.
यिनीहरूले त छोडेकै हैन ल
No, I can't now. I know where's the.
Yeah, keep taking the videos.
I'm gonna follow him.
No, just stay there.
How does this thing stick on? Wait, Lena, let me just stay on. Wait, let me. So we're at Moron Lake. No, not Moron Lake. I have to restart this.
Jump. हामी फर्किँदैछौँ यहाँ खेल्छहरू छ त्यो मान्छे लडिसक्यो प्रपर हाइकिङ सुज चाहिँ चाहिन्छ र यहाँ प्रपर हाइकिङ सुज चाहिन्छ ल कस्तो यहाँसम्म आउनलाई चाहिँ हामीलाई कति टाइम लाग्यो माथि जानलाई तल चाहिँ फटाफट आइयो हाइक गरेको टोटल 5 hours 38 minutes आजको ट्रिप भान्जीहरू त्यहाँ छ रवि यदि आइरहनु भएको छ ट्रेल चाहिँ कडै रहेछ ल विदाउट ट्रेल सुज चाहिँ इट्स हार्ड होइन हाइकिङ सुज बिना चाहिँ एकदमै स्केरी रहेछ यो ट्रेल You need a proper hiking shoes. Maybe get a pole, but not mandatory. तर hiking shoes चाहिँ mandatory नै छ है यहाँ ल हेर्दा हेर्दै त्यो माउन्टेनै चढ्यो नि ल मान्छे त स्विमिङ गर्नु लाग्यो लेक एग्नेसमा मान्छेहरू स्विमिङ गर्दैछन् यहाँ हामीलाई पानी नै चिसो हुन्छ सुन के जाने हो र यहाँ तपाईँ म कुरेर बस्छु नि लुगाहरू तपाईँ स्विमिङ गर्नुभयो भने अन्त नि लास्ट टाइम नि लुगा ल्याउनु भएन ऊ लाग्छ त्यहाँ डाइभ गरौँ कि नगरौँ भयो जस्तै Too cold रे बिचरा. लेक एग्नेसमा पनि पानी चोपलियो, खुट्टा चोपलियो. Very very cold actually, very very cold.
Mirror Lake. I completed Mirror Lake.
So we are here at the Mirror Lake again. Ooh, my backs are hurting again. Mirror Lake again. Backs hurting again. Just wanna show you something here. Yes, we were on top of that.
I know. You're right.
Literally, we were on top of that
But you're not
beehive,
in Agnes.
looking at the Mirror Lake. We're not gonna take a pause. Let's go, guys. अब चाहिँ पुग्न लाग्यो हामी 6.5 माइल भइसक्यो. अब मेबी अराउन्ड अर्को 10-15 मिनटमा चाहिँ पुग्छ होला. फेरि तार देखेर औषधि खानु पर्यो. अलिक प्यारो छ. अब निन्द्रा लाग्यो कि आँखा पनि पिरो हुन थाल्यो. ड्राई भयो कि आँखा पनि पिरो हुन थाल्यो. माइ गॉड, कस्तो पिरो हुन थाल्यो. 11 बजे सुतेर 2:30 मा उठेको. 2:45 मा 4-5 घन्टा सुतेको. पुग्छ होला 10 मिनट. ल पुग्यो सही. माइ गॉड, हामीलाई pretty much 7 hours 46. 8 घन्टा लाग्यो आज. 8 घन्टा.
Dad, Dad, this way.
Are we trying to get stoned?
Alright. म चाहिँ यहाँ अलि रेस्टरुम युज गर्नु परेकोले फटाफट आएँ. र यहाँनिर अझ मेबी 5-10 minutes. 5 minutes. Look at that beautiful snow mountains. त्यही त भविष्यमा आइन्छ आइँदैन. ल पुग्यो फाइनल्ली.
I mean, on the picture or not?
ल यो चाहिँ लास्ट भिडियो लेक लुइसको. यहाँ कति मान्छे छ भन्ने कुरा पनि हेरौँ न त. कति हुन्छ मान्छे. फ्लोगरभिलको पार्क जस्तै छ. ल जहाँबाट सुरु गरे त्यहाँ पुग्यौँ हामी. 7.5 miles, 8.5 घन्टा. र यहाँ कस्तो लाग्यो आजको हाइक?
मजा आयो
है. आज तहल्कै पिल्यो नि बच्चाहरूले त. ल
Literally steaming in there.
That's okay, we're gonna open the AC.
Is AC going?
Okay, how do you guys feel today?
Not good.
Not good. Why? Why?
I'm just happy I made it. That's it.
Alina, how was it? Who was the one who needs to go up? and climb that Beehive trail?
No.
Both of you. Who went first? But you guys did well actually. First hike and then 7.5 miles.
It's not a joke.
Yeah, not a joke. To be proud about and to cherish it.
We did 14 miles.
No,
Coming up and coming
no, it's no 3.5 miles each way. So the total is 7:59, 8 hours 33 minutes.
So
All right. See you.